All right, we are starting PowerPoint. This is strictly optional. If your computer has PowerPoint available and you would like to use it, please try it out. I think it's a great way to not only get used to technology, but to incorporate informational writing with science in our study of animals. So this is strictly optional, like I said, and only if your informational piece is completed and has been turned in may you start this. So I'm just going to give you 7 easy steps to start it, okay? So the first step is launch the PowerPoint. Number 2, choose a design. 3, create a title page. 4, add more slides. You are allowed to have a total of 5 slides. Your title page would be 1 plus 4 more. 5, add pictures. 6, add transitions. And finally, 7, play the presentation. All right, so let's get this started. Everybody's computers are different, so you're going to find them in different spots. I happen to have a MacBook Air. So what I am going to do is right there, that orange button right there that says P on it is my Microsoft PowerPoint. All I do is click it and it takes me to this. I am officially on PowerPoint. All right. So the first thing you're going to do once you get there, 1, we launched it. Perfect. Number 2 is we're going to decide on a design. Okay. But not yet. You click blank presentation. I double click it. Look where I get. Perfect. Next, we are going to find a design we like because this is oh so boring. So how do you find a design? Well, up here, these are all your keywords. Home, insert, design, transitions, animation, slideshow. Okay, so we are going to go to design. Click on that and you'll get a bunch of designs that show up. Ooh, look at all these. And you can choose whichever one you want. Okay. You can press that arrow button and it gives you more and more and more. So have fun with it. Which one would you like? I think I will go with this one. Do I like that one? No, I don't like that one. I'm gonna keep playing with it. This one's kind of fun. Oh, that looks like kind of like the sky. And I'm gonna be focusing on bald eagles. So I think that one, let's try this one. I think this one will be better for me. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. You are now on this page, okay? So what you are going to do is, this is what all of my slides are going to look like, okay? I've chosen this design. You can choose different ones. Whatever you want to do is fine, okay? So we're going to click to add title. All you are doing here is adding your title for what of the animal you chose to do in your informational. We are not recreating the information. We are taking the information from your informational piece and we're just plugging it in here. And we're doing it in a simplified way, which means we're just putting certain things in here. I'm going to say bald and beautiful because I'm going to pretend that I am using, and a student had this last year as a title and I thought it was so good. So I am just going to use it to show you how to do this, okay? So then I'm just gonna, oh, I don't want that period there, so I'm gonna delete that. And I'm gonna just center it a little bit, okay? Just by using some spaces. I think that looks, I'm gonna take one more right, there we go. And here I'm going to write my name. Yours is going to be possibly in a different order, and that is fine. So this is your title page, okay? And clearly that's not space. Oh goodness, I don't want that. But this, I'm gonna do a space this way. Where is it? There we go. I don't want the period, but I want it to be space. So maybe I just, it's messing with me. I'm gonna highlight it and see if I can go to insert, home. There we go. I'm going to go back to home over here, highlight it. And when you highlight on my computer, your computer might be different. On mine, I'm going to click the box, see it? And then I'm going to click right after at the end of the S for Thomas. And this is my left side. I'm going to press down and then I'm going to pull. Oh, it just switched me up. Hold on. This will happen to you, and that's okay. We try to be perfect, but hey, we're not always. So I'm going to hold it down on my left side and take my other finger and just scroll across so that I've highlighted. And then I'm going to go up to right there and center it. Do you see that? And if you want to change the font, the color, you can change right there where it has color right there. This is where you're going to change the size, and this is going to change your font. So if I want to say, make it, ooh, a little fancy, I can. I think I'll do that. I think I'll make my bold and beautiful fancy just like that as well. Ooh, now that one's not centered, so I'm going to center that. Oh, there we go. I centered it. All right, so then I'm going to click off of it. How does that look? Yours might have your title and your name under it. That's fine. This slide just happens to have it this way. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to make new slides. So as you can see right now, I have exactly one slide. So right here, it says new slide, and watch. I told you you can have a total of 5, so I need to add 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bam. Got my 5 slides. You can see them, right? All right, now we're moving on. So the next one, here is my number 2. I click on number 2 slide, and I'm going to take whatever, you're going to take whatever, look, I'm just going to press center button. That's a center. Whatever title, you can change the fonts, whatever subheading, I'm sorry, that you had for appearance, you're going to put here. So I might put soaring high. Okay, and then where it says click to add text, you are going to add like 3 facts, between 2 and 3 facts about the appearance of your animal. Okay, so I'm going to change this and not make it so big so that I can fit my 3 facts in. And I think that I'm going to bullet it. So if I want to bullet it, that's a bullet, right? See it? It's right there. Oh, that doesn't look very big though, but let's see how it looks out. So, I want to say eagles have extremely long wings. And as you can see, this doesn't look very big, does it? So I think I am going to, again, I'm going to highlight it, and I'm going to change the font size. I think maybe it should be 20. Yeah, even maybe 22 for this, 24 for this one. I think that's a good size. And then I just simply pressed return or enter, and it takes you to a second bullet. Remember, you need to have 2 to 3 facts, okay? Once I'm finished that, I'm going to teach you, if you want to add a picture, how to add a picture. So every computer is different, okay? Yours, you might have to right click it, okay? Mine is kind of, so let's see. Mine is kind of tricky. Exit, edit text, okay? And then let's see. Oh, okay. So I want to, if you want a new slide, you could get it that way, but we already have our new slides. Paste, it says. Well, what am I going to paste? A bald eagle. So you can go, you can search it, and then you can copy it, and then you just paste it on. So, but you want to make it smaller. So do you see this? But I'm going to make him kind of big because now here's the deal. I cannot add, oops, I don't want that, so I'm just going to delete it. Uh-oh, I don't want this. Let me click on it. Let me see. How do I get rid of this? Cut. There we go. Okay, you have to add your text, which are your facts, before you add your picture, okay? Because it won't let you do it after you do it. So do all of your text first and then go back. So do your text for all your slides. So this one is going to be, that's right, appearance, diet, habitat, and fun facts. But your subheadings are exactly like you see in your typed final draft. And then just take out your 2 or 3 favorite facts that you learned and you want to present to others and put them in. Once you get all of that in, So when you're going to go to the next slide, you just click over here or slide 4, okay? Then you're going to do the pictures, okay? So the pictures, you're just going to search them, and you can go to insert at the top here, and you go to pictures, and you're going to type in and search them, copy them, and then paste them in, okay? After you do that, you can mess with the transitions. So I'm not going to do all these right now because I'm strictly just trying to show you how to do this, but transitions is another one. So as you notice, we've gone to design, we've learned how to do pictures, add slides, we go to transitions, okay? So the transitions, I'm going to start on slide 1, and I'm at transitions. I want to fade this one. Watch, okay? I think for slide 2, I am going to split this one. For slide 3, maybe I will cut it. Okay, so now watch. Then, once you decide what you want to do, so you can also do sound. You can play around with all of it. You can do sound, and you can actually record yourself reading your own text if you want to, okay? There's different things that you can do. You can go to animations and choose different things, okay? But then when you want to actually see how your slideshow is going to look, the final step, which is play the presentation, you go to slideshow and you go play from start, okay? Now my transitions are when it fades in and out or splits it. It goes from slide to slide. Now watch for my 2 slides. See how it... Ooh, isn't that cool? Okay, so that's all I have right now, but I'm gonna click back on it, and I'm gonna click back, and I'm gonna see if we can watch it again. Okay, ready? So watch, it's gonna fade a little bit. Are you ready? So that's my title, and if it was me, I would add pictures on here. Ooh, so when it does that, that's transition, okay? And then I didn't do any more slides. That's why you can't see the other transitions. So I want you to have fun with this. If you have any questions or you want me to Zoom you to give you more guidance in it, I'd be happy to. Have fun. I can't wait to see your amazing work. I miss you.